In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Sora 2. Now, the first thing to note is that Sora 2 is a web-based application, which means you won't be downloading it in the traditional sense like you would with an .exe or .app installer. Instead, the process involves saving it to your device as if it were a web app. I'll guide you through how to do this on both Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. So let's get started. For those using Microsoft Edge, you'll want to begin by opening the Sora page, either through the official OpenAI site or your specific Sora workspace link. Once the page is open in your browser, head to the upper right corner where you'll see the three dots icon. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From there, look for the Apps option and select Install this site as an app. Once you click on it, a small window will prompt you to confirm the installation. Simply click Install. Voila! Sora is now set up to function like a desktop application and can be easily accessed from your Start menu, just like any other app on your computer. Now, let's move on to Google Chrome. Begin by opening the Sora page in Chrome. Again, navigate to the three dots located in the top right corner of the browser window. As you click on these, a menu will appear. Look for the Save and Share section and choose Create Shortcut. A dialog will pop up, offering you an option to open as window. Make sure to tick this box as it ensures that Sora opens in its own dedicated window rather than a browser tab. The last step is to click Create. After doing this, you'll notice that Sora has been successfully added and you can find it among your list of apps, providing quick and seamless access. By saving Sora 2 as a web app on either Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, you'll not only gain the convenience of faster access, but also the ability to interact with it in a more app-like environment, making your user experience that much smoother. So whether you prefer Edge or Chrome, both methods offer a reliable and straightforward way to utilize Sora 2 as a desktop application. Feel free to explore and take advantage of all its features now that you have it easily accessible on your computer. And there you have it. Simple, right? If you follow these steps, you'll have Sora 2 ready to go on your device in no time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tech tips.